So I'm betting that a few of you folks out there have a drawer like this.
This is the first drawer under my drill press. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there, but the really offending part is that over here. All these bits and stuff that are just laying in there, that needs some organization. Some of this stuff needs to be stored elsewhere because I rarely use it. But that's the really offender right there. You know, the never-ending quest to get the shop organized.
Yeah, we all try to get things organized, don't we? So let's go and see if we can do better and make that just a bit more organized.
Got the drawer out, of course, emptied it, and took out the dividers that were here. Those are no longer needed the way they're configured. Got this divider out with the few holes I had in it, thinking I was being smart when I wasn't. So there's going to be a new piece over here to hold all the bits vertically. There'll be probably two dividers over here for long things, and then one in the middle. One over here, and then two shorter ones here for like spade bits and things like that. And everything is safely in boxes, waiting for their new home. Well, here's the beginning. Much longer piece. This is 18 inches by 6. This is going to be filled with holes. A lot of holes. I drew this up, and I'm going to be at the drill press for a while. A whole bunch of 1/4 inch holes, then down to 3/16, then 3/8 and 1/2 inch, and this should give me a lot of expansion into getting more bits over time, which I really don't need any more bits. I got plenty of them. So everybody says, we're done. Simply put, I've got my driving bits here, VIX bits here, extensions here, taper cutters and plug cutters here, and my little small taper cutters here, and these I found in here, these little things here are my glass cutting bits, glass drilling bits. Long extensions here in the centerpiece, collars for drill bits there, drill guides from Big Gator Tools. Back here I got some masonry bits. The long drivers in this pocket right here, punches, center punch here, some drill press tools here, reamers are here, and spade bits are here. I think that's about it. And so it's much neater, it's easier to find stuff. The only thing I remember to do is close this drawer before I start drilling and fill up with sawdust.
So a quick video of just doing some cleanup in the shop. Slowly going to work my way around the shop. Improving things. As I said in an earlier video, I'm going to be building a J. Bates style cabinetry over here when I get around to it. But making the shop neater and easier to get a hold of stuff and find things just makes more sense. Makes your workflow better. You're not running around crazily looking for something or digging into a pile of stuff to find something. So, quick video. Thanks a lot for sticking around. Make something good out of wood.